Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Friends, today we are here with the second part of the desert theme with those beautiful car, cactus, camel, tree, mountain and many more. So friends, let's start and learn while enjoying. Come on! And here she's taking out her lovely cutouts. Yes, doll, these cutouts are so nice. So let's get started. I hope she must be thinking how to pick it up. So nice color. What must be there in this? So let's check it out.
What is it?
This is mountain.
Mountain, yes, Mama. It's a mountain, Nana.
Yes, Vika, this is mountain.
You better got it?
Yes, you can. And she's trying her best to fit it properly.
Oh dear.
Very nice.
What is it?
This is cactus.
What is it? Oh, Mama.
Is it nice?
Hey, Mama. It's so nice.
So it's nice. Do you know where is cactus? Find it out.
This.
Very nice. Now put it properly.
I did it.
Very nice. You can. This activity is really great. Hope you all will enjoy. क्या है इसमें?
This.
Show me. Very nice. This is tree. Tree कहाँ गया?
Yes.
निकालो tree निकालो. Where is tree?
Yes.
Very good. Great. Now pick up other card doll. Now what is there in this card?
We didn't go house.
Yeah, you are right. Very nice. Excellent. What is next?
The house.
Correct. Put it fast. What tent house is this?
The house.
Wonderful.
Mom, then down the line there.
Okay, you are doing nice. Blue card, yellow
Where
card.
are you? Hey, yeah, you. Hey, where are you? How do you do?
Yellow. Now put yellow card cut out. Wow, it's great. She is enjoying a lot. Friends, are you all enjoying? She has got her tree and she's ready to fit in. That's really great. Which card you're having in your hand? Can you show it to me?
Mama, this is car.
Pick up the card.
Okay. Car.
Yes, this is car. Let's see what's next she's going to have in her hand. Which card do you have in your hand?
This is Annie.
Okay. Hey, you are making us learn many things, doll. Camel, camel.
Where are you? Hey, where are you? Hey, where are you? How do you do?
Friends, I'm enjoying this activity that this super girl is doing. Are you enjoying? Very nice.
Mama, daddy.
Yes. Purple card, where are you?
Hey, I am. Hey, I am. How do you do? Baba,
What is this?
we didn't go out. Mom, then down the line there.
Okay, what you're picking up? Show me.
This is. Yeah, Mama.
Okay. Now what is this?
This is.
What is next?
Mountain.
Show me mountain. Okay.
Mountain right here.
Very nice.
Then down in this.
Green color tent house. Very good. You are doing great. Now, what is this doll? Very good. Can you tell me what's next?
This is doll.
Okay.
Camel.
Doll, sing camel song, please. What you're putting now? That's great. And here is another car. So doll, this is yes, correct. And here she is with the last cutout. Let me ask, what is this doll? Yes, you're correct. This is cactus plant. So doll, have you enjoyed this? Okay, that's great. Wow, now tell everyone that you have done it. Excellent, great job. You have become a good girl today. So friends, you can see how nicely by enjoying this little girl has completed the second part of the desert theme. Isn't it friends? I hope you all have also learned and enjoyed many things from this activity. So friends, to enjoy with many more activities, do not forget to watch our new videos. Till then, stay connected, take care, good luck, bye bye and stay safe.